I'm Matthew from Sharon, and we are doing a quick little tutorial on the Carnival Horizon elevators because, as you can see, it's not the normal button system that many are used to, but it's digital. So we got some tips from people over at Camp Osh on how this works. So you'll click this and it'll turn on here. You have all the different decks. And so let's say we want to go to 10. We're on 12 right now. So we'd hit 10, and then S right there would be heading down to 10 once it opens up. But you'd click it 3 times because there's 3 of us. So for however many people there are, that's how many times you'll click. So now it's set for 3 people. And this is how, but usually people don't know this, so sometimes this is to prevent overfilled elevators most of the time. Of course, they'll still be there because some people don't know how to use the system here, but this is a quick little explanation on how it works. So if you've got a big group of about 7 or 8 people, you have to hit this thing 7 to 8 times. So I hope that this was helpful, a little quick elevator tutorial on the Carnival Horizon. I hope that you can get safely from one deck to another.